Sir, my name is Justin B. Rubignol from Block 22 BHHM. Begin. So, add the two equations that will be x plus y and x plus 1 equals 1 plus 3. So, that will be what of x plus y plus x plus y equals 2. So, 2y equals 2. Y equals 2 over 2 will be 1. Okay, so um, substitute y into 1, another equation that will be x plus 1 equals 3. So x equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. So that it will be x equals 2. So let's um, substitute it into another equation. So that will be y equals x minus 1. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 is 3. So 2x 21 equals 3. X 2x equals 3 plus 1. So it will be 2x equals 4. And so x equals 4 over 2 will be plus 3. Divided by 2, so that will be y 1 2 1 equals 1. Y equals 1. So that will be the answer. Let's move on to the next question. So multiply equation 2 by 9 to make the coefficient of y opposite. So that will be 9x 9x times x minus y equals to 5 to 9x equals 9y minus 9y is equals to 45. So add the equator 1 and multiply it equation 2. So that will be 15x plus 9y plus 9x minus 9y equals to negative 12 plus 45. 15x plus 9y plus 9x minus 9y is equal to 3. So 24x equals 33. That would be x equals 11 over 8. Substitute the value of x into equation 2. That will be 11 over 8 minus y equals 5. Minus y equals 5 equals 11 over 8. Y minus 40 over 8 minus 11 over 8. So y equals 29 over 8. So the x will be, so the y will be y equals 29 over 8. Good day, sir. So today I'm gonna solve the linear equation one variable. So this one, the question one will be, so I'm gonna remove the x from the right side. So let's begin. So 4x 4x minus 16 equals 3x plus 2. So I'm gonna remove the x from the right side. So let's begin. So to remove the x, 3x negative 16 equals 3x minus 3 plus 2. So this is the, I add 3x and 3 from the same side. After that I'm gonna solve this. So 4x solved by 3x will be 1, and that will be considered an x, and 3x minus 3x, that will can be considered as 0. So x, so that will be negative 16 equals 2. So there's a x remaining here, so you can do the same thing. So x negative 16 plus 16 equals 2 plus 16, and I'm gonna solve this. This will be considered as 0, and this I'm gonna add this. So our total will be x equals 18. So I'm gonna solve this. So 5 negative 6 times x will be negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 2 will be positive 12 equals 5x plus multiplied by negative 1 will be negative 1. 12 will be plus 17 like this. So equals negative 5x plus 12 will be 17. Negative 6x equals negative 5x 1. I'm gonna remove the x here to here. So to do that, I will add x negative 6x plus 6x equals negative 5x. Will do the same at the, if I add in the left side, I will do it in the same side, plus 6x negative 1. After that, I'm gonna solve this. So negative 6x plus 6x will be x, so that's not it. So negative 5x plus 6x equals, and the total is 17 equals x minus negative 1. That I'm gonna remove this. So to do that, simply put 17 plus 1 equals x negative 1 plus 1. So the answer will be 17 plus 1 will be 18. So x negative 1 plus 1 will be x. So the total will be x plus 18 So that's the answer. So at number 3 we have mhm, 8x over 8 equals negative 8 over 3. So what we do is multiply each sides by 3 to cancel the denominator. So that will be 3x times 8x over 3 equals 3x times negative 8 over 3. After that, you're gonna do is uh, divide both sides by 8. So that will be 8x over 8 equals 8 negative 8 over 8, and the answer will be 8x 8 equals 1. That will be the answer.